Manila, Philippines, having a population of more than 5,000 heads of cattle, the biggest dairy farm in the country today can be found in Llano del Norte. 2,000 of these cows were imported directly from Australia, and in the years that followed the mother, cows begat more than 3,000 offsprings. In 2023, the total number of cattle in livestock farming in the Philippines amounted to approximately 2.58 million, reflecting a slight increase from the previous year. Cattle farming is typically carried out in the backyard or commercial farms. Philippines has 5 top provinces, largest cattle producer. Among the provinces, Bukidnon recorded the highest production of 19.8 per thousand metric tons live weight, or 8.2% of the country's cattle production. This was followed by Pangasinan with 14.11 thousand metric tons live weight, and Batangas with 13.97 thousand metric tons live weight.